This is your stage, your spotlight. Hello, Meghalaya. Your story starts here.
Kibor pulit lingba ba BBXM IPS SP ke is khasels kila pentep bagi langut kishenrang ki balap tour guide ke bayak chat rangkat bagi shijur na Nongriat shimola khyat hak step arfly drek uchamang arjarpsan kidai ki bala shakem da kibor pulit hak prabat khnai drek ujliu arjarpsan daga ba pentep bagi pulit ke jela Meghalaya Uttar Pradesh ba Madhya Pradesh kile trelang ban kemi ki langut ki bala tep kertai kumu Akash Rajput kaknai snam karta na Lalitpur ke jela Uttar Pradesh Ubishal Singh Arpasnem bat Anan Kurbi Arplaisnem Kibadai na Indor Chuchul Ong Banalor ke Sonam Raku Banshi Lakamru Rising Kushwaha Arpaisnem Karta Badai na Indor Ubala Keno Budai Samla ke Sonam Balaong Baka Kedau Sya Kecing Sela ke Sonam Bu Rising Ban Pynïap Yau Raja Raku Banshi.
See, if we connect the dots, preliminary investigation will indicate that that's how this whole motive and crime was unearthed. Because when we actually had connected the dots, it was actually Raj Kushwaha with Sonam. So when they come here, that will be confirmed. At this juncture, I will not be able to say what exactly is the motive, but it indicates towards that.
Sir, if you can tell us the trail of the crime and whether those three people who were seen there, are these the same people who have been arrested?
The local guide had mentioned that he saw three people with Raja.
And also the trail of the crime, if you can share a bit.
Sorry, the trail of the?
Like how happened, what happened?
No, see, I'll not divulge exactly chronologically, exactly bit by bit. But what I can tell you, what Princess asked, is I can tell you now is that those three people who had come up with them are the same people, yes.
Sir, who informed your police, sir? Is it Sonam or like somebody else, sir? Because one Dhaba person was been involved in this and reportedly said that the Dhaba person have called the police. So who informed you?
See, if you look at the logical sequence of events last night, all these days Sonam was underground. People also had gone underground. And yesterday when the operation started, suddenly she surfaced. What I'm going is just by the bare facts of the case. Who is involved out here? Where did she go? That will be just the bare fact. We'll go by the evidence of the case and go by the facts of the matter. Whether she was in touch with anybody, that will be when the investigation starts properly, when she's brought here.
Sir, the alleged boyfriend is also in with Sonam in Sora, sir?
Sorry?
The alleged boyfriend Raj is also with Sonam in Sora, or?
No.
So it must be alleged that Sonam have given the contract of the release. Is it true, sir?
That is subject to investigation. But what I can say out here is that Sonam also is a prime accused out here.
Can you tell us the transit remand, how many days it will take? Transit remand.
Now they're producing them in court. We'll come to know how many days they require.
Here in Shillong?
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll bring that to Shillong.
Formal arrest is 4. One is yet to be arrested because the team is going to Kazipur.
So some reports are coming that total arrest are 7. So how far it is?
No, that is not true. You have to listen to us. This is the official statement we are giving to you, so you please note down.
Vivek sir, what was the major challenge in this case?
Well, the major challenges was in fact searching the body first, because of the moment they went missing, torrential rain started. The kind of terrain we have out there also is not easy. Then to top it off, what sir was saying, is we need probably more robust record keeping, CCTV. We didn't have any of that, so that was very, very challenging for us.
Told us how he was murdered.
What does the autopsy report and all the details?
Like I said, in fact, when we actually had done the inquest, we saw that there were sharp wounds on the head, and autopsy report from Nongriat has indicated that there were 2 sharp cuts on the head, one from behind and one from in front. Yeah.
Sir, is this 3 guys,
These are
Akash and
sharp
Anand,
cuts.
are the one who came to Shillong?
Yes, Akash, Anand, and Vishal Singh Chauhan, they came to Shillong.
Can we say that Sonam is the prime accused right now?
You can see she's the one of the prime accused. Others are co-accused. I mean, the others are assailants. They committed the murder, but the planning and involvement is you cannot rule out Sonam Raghuvanshi.
What are the backgrounds of these three individuals whom you have arrested, which you have named them? What are the backgrounds?
Once they come here, then we will know about their background, educational background. They think that is when they come here.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashab plus F hakajing som. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat akabatau bha kam kata ikadur jengki marbam kajing mat lani ka rukam shed yaki. Balehi banai kita. Kadon ka we kajing mentoy bakongsan. Kakot kakia. Ka nutrition bakam bha kajing im bakam bha pendon kam daki marba medon ka sharp plus F menta kasni.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.